Today's top news headlines: men sought and injured by suspected NSC and IM cadres in Kasar. Human Rights Convention and the law in the Northeast wraps up. And sit-in state in Infal to hear voice against faulty ILP. Hello, this is Pony TV giving you the latest English bulletin at 6:30. I'm Christina and now the news in detail. Tension prevailed in Chamtilag, Karulung village under Jirigat police station of Kasar district after suspected NSC and IM cadres sought and injured a man on Tuesday. The injured Gainai Pao was repairing a Jubilee Hall at Chamtilag, Karulung village when the shooting took place. He was rushed to Alipur hospital according to a report. The armed man attacked him in the thigh. Condemning the incident, a large number of local women held a public meeting and later staged a protest rally. Women from the Lungbung Jain area village council chanted several slogans during the rally. They said they want peace in the village. A Human Rights Convention and the law in the Northeast drew to a close in Guwahati yesterday. Human Rights Law Network HRLN, Socio-Legal Information Center and Center for Constitutional Rights in collaboration with 62 NGOs organized the 3-day-long discourse at Don Bosco Institute, Karguli, Guwahati. It deliberated on the fact and counter cases and extrajudicial killing in the Northeast. Apart from climate change, land acquisition and prison rights, minority rights, women and child rights, rights of lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer and intersex, LGBTQI, and health rights during COVID-19 pandemic. Social activists, advocates, environmentalists, educationalists, doctorates and journalists attended the program. Altogether, 10 delegates, including Human Rights Alert HRA Executive Director Bablo Loitongbam and Extrajudicial Execution Victim Families Association Manipur FAM President Renu Tekelambam presented Manipur in the convention. The convention also took note of December 4th outing massacre and pursuing intervention by HRLN Nagaland unit in the incident. A sit-in protest was staged at Kaisampat Laymazam Laikai Community Hall in Infal against alleged faulty implementation of ILP in Manipur. Speaking at the protest site, Vice President of Pore Laymarol Mayrapaibi Apunbalup S. Memcha expressed displeasure over defective implementation of ILP by the government in Manipur. The sit-in protest was organized under Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System JCILPS, which has been demanding rules and regulation for effective implementation of ILP in Manipur. However, the police dispersed the demonstrators and cited many reasons to stop the sit-in protest.
adagi akoigi mito myam chachina akoide hengat padanata mitai ba jati khunai je mukhi dore isaching akoi pulamangna khunai kannabai dangta mama oibi na koi mayam isaching na irei ba kalauchi haibagi damakta khunai manipur haiba khunai je kandabe ate akoina thamjaring badi aduga IMP gi ka to pire ne mayang adu tei leiba ya di haire manipur sarkar na kachi charaga piri bra pidilbra kat masingjo kanagi gala hana suklai leram da bai hujik dhama hengale asijo yengchan bio haina sarkar haijeri.
Meanwhile, intending candidate of Kaisantong constituency, Taunazam has supported today's protest by GCILPS, saying a peaceful demonstration should be allowed to take place to hear the voice of the people.
Koi huzik sing na harabada Republican Party of India gi huzik North East Observer la agasule akoi bino Nicole jeji akoi lakadori ba January 5 ta su akoi gi Ramdas Athawale lakadori akoi Indian Minister akoi na state ta akoi na RPI na akoi na government manungda hanak lakadori election sida akoi na yaujagi haribase akoi na election da contest auriba siguma mayam sigi kai haiduino akoi gi change sama porok na bagi damakta mayam gi praja gi koi pakoloi oibra koi representative leader oiba mayam sina akoi gi si mayam se koi democracy gi asengba wahan thok haitare si aduna hujing asi phambiriba ima sing lebiri mayam sida si thingbam thokte maramdi sidi yamna violence yaudana icham chamna santi one phamjaba mafam ne duna sida ai kasigi kai disturbance bim thok tabrana kalle.
Manipur's COVID-19 positivity rate dipped to 0.9 with 14 fresh infections and 2 deaths in the past 24 hours, said the Manipur COVID-19 Command Control Room on Tuesday. The case tally has reached 1,25,549, while the death toll climbed to 1,992. The state COVID-19 Command Control Room in a release also said the new cases were confirmed after testing 1,494 samples collected in the past 24 hours. 7 persons were discharged, it added. Manipur Chief Electoral Officer CEO Rajesh Agarwal has said the claim and objection on the final electoral roll summary revision has been completed. He informed this to media at his chamber at Lumfield in Infal on Tuesday. He said over 1.4 lakh forms were received for the special summary revision and that withdrawal of the form are underway, which will be closed on December 20. Checking of EVM has been finished and that 1,000 VVPATs from Assam have also arrived in the state, the CEO informed. Rajesh Agarwal also said the Election Commission will announce COVID protocols for the Manipur polls.
For expenditure management, we have identified as assistant election expenditure observers. We have constituted the static surveillance team, flying squad teams, according as per the requirements and the guidelines of Election Commission. We have also identified 6 expenditure sensitive constituencies in the state and same have been notified to Election Commission of India. These 6 constituencies are Andhro, 7 Andhro, 22 Wangoi, 23 Mayang Infal, 28 Thanga, 30 Lilong, 58 Churachandpur. These are the 6 constituencies which have been notified as expenditure sensitive constituencies. Flying squad team, static surveillance team, video viewing team, accounting team, all have been appointed and trained for expenditure monitoring.
A Class 10 Common Question Pre-Board examination for the year 2022 would be held from January 19 till February 3. Since 2005, the All Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association AMRPS in Infal Manipur has been conducting this examination every year for students who will be sitting in the HSLC examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM. It is said the examination will be held either in school or in a suitable place by following proper COVID protocols.
ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯠ ꯑꯄꯥꯗꯣ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯕꯦꯜ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ
ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯜ ꯗꯦꯕꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯔꯤꯁꯣꯔꯁ ꯄꯔꯁꯟ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯜ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯔꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ
ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯕꯣꯔꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯕꯣꯁꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯄꯦꯇꯔꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯇꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯪꯅ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯣꯟ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯃꯔꯤꯜ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯁꯦꯇꯔ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯦꯛꯆꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯄꯔꯤꯈꯥ ꯊꯥꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝ ꯐꯤꯌꯔ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯀꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ HLC ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯃꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯌా ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯣꯔ ꯐꯪꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ.
With the Christmas around the corner, the Longmai-2 Baptist Youth Fellowship BYF has begun a free car wash program on the theme Be Clean in Every Field. Over 150 vehicles were given the free service along National Highway 37 on Monday. Zangguan Lunggangmai, one of the members of the program, said the free car wash program aims to send Merry Christmas wishes and messages to the people.
Ngang mele ka jang na free car wash se we he news ban hai we free ka si kaman ni la ma ge ngari hai pa ina gang na ba me si ekoina tawriba free car wash se Longmai-2 Baptist Youth Fellowship na si National Highway 37 na ekoina organize tawni aduga loina na National Highway 37 na chatiba gari mayam aduga passenger mayam driver mayam desu aikoina haizaning bidi aikoina ngasi tawbesi free car wash under the theme Be Clean in Every Field haiba makhada aikoina tawbani aduga present mayam desu aikoina a wish bizari adude Christmas aduga lakadoriba 2022 gi happy new year se aikoise fazanna harauna nungsi sanana laininga aduga pangpuk chaninga hache aikoina wish.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.
Tapta Institute of Fusion Music Taiphumgi Makhada Taptagi Sei Khaktada Yumpham Oiba The Voice of Taiphum Haina Mingthonba Singing Talent Hunt 4.0 Lakliba December gi tang kungamari Sogli Singaniga Kungamathoi Irai Numittagi Pangthokpa Haujaragani. Episode 9 Sathagadoriba Fusion Music Competition Asigi Winner amadi first second runner up singda pigadaba khudung chaba singdi Free the Isai Semba record changba amadi Tapta musical concert ta rotation 9 sarugyahanba asina singbani akupa marol gidamak 9362109942 natraga 6009166130 da pau for you. Organized by Tapta Ven Music and Tapta Fan Club.
Welcome after the break. Huyel Lalong Thangta Association Manipur flag of 140 state players for the upcoming 27 National Thangta Championship to be held from December 18 at Indoor Sports Complex in Jammu. Speaking at the event, Huyel Lalong Thangta Association Manipur President Huidrom Prem Kumar pointed out that even though Thangta being an indigenous martial art of Manipur, successful Thangta players are not getting government job opportunity unlike Jammu and Kashmir, where such players are provided with government job. Thangta players in Manipur are used only to salute VIPs, he said. Huidrom Prem Kumar also said the Thangta players from Manipur are participating in the National Thangta Championship without any assistance from the state government.
ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯏꯚꯦꯟ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯍꯜꯂꯝꯃꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯐꯦꯗꯔꯦꯁꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯗꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯅ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯆꯦꯝꯄꯤꯌꯟꯁꯤꯞ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯆꯦꯝꯄꯤꯌꯟꯁꯤꯞ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯛꯑꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯈꯦꯂꯣ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ 10,000 ꯁ꯭ꯀꯣꯂꯔꯁꯤꯞ ꯄꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯥꯒꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯥꯡ ꯇꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯍꯧ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯥꯡ ꯇꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯣꯏꯗꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯐꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 5ꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯦꯂꯣ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯌꯨꯠ ꯒꯦꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ 12 ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯇꯦꯔꯤꯇꯣꯔꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 38 ꯄꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌా ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯦꯂꯣ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗꯨꯗ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ.
A one-day training program on improved cultivation practices of rabi crops under cluster frontline demonstration of oilseed crops CFLD was held at Longmai Part 4 Peaceland under Noni District. The program was organized by Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK Tamenglong during the program.
December last week for the birthday may have megate may guang kedua dan nak aku mitong training kat lang lagi kuling ini jat ni tu ngai tiki kedau sa demonstration on wet ai tu 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 mai jadi nak ni nutrition guardian tu aku jadi nak ni
Noni Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of 22 Sector Assam Rifles and Inspector General of Assam Rifles East distributed at Syntax tank to the village of Nungba under Noni District on Tuesday under Assam Rifles Civic Action Program 2021 to 2022 as a part of the efforts to provide basic amenities to the local and to achieve meaningful socio-economic development of remote area. Noni Battalion provided the water tank to Nungba village. This syntax tank will be enable the household to store a greater quantity of water and improve the quality of life in the remote village and to alleviate the clean water scarcity problem faced by the villagers. The welfare measures will strengthen the confidence of the villagers in the security forces and will enhance mutual trust between them. The Assam Rifles Civic Action Program was attended by the Nungba Village Authority and adequate COVID-19 protection measures were followed during the event. The Association of Manipuri Diaspora Ament Pune observed the 82nd Nupi Landi on December 12 to pay homage to the brave women of Manipur who revolted against the mighty British for their discriminatory and unjust policy. The function was held at the residence of Ament President in Pune. Ament is a non-profit, non-government community organization founded by like-minded working retired professionals from Manipur residing in and around Pune. The association was founded on September 11, 2011 and is registered under the Societies Registration Act 1860 at Pune, Maharashtra. Amen Pune has been working towards improvement of social life of Manipurs residing in and around Pune in particular and citizens of India in general irrespective of their caste, creed, communities and religions by fair and amicable means at all times. A massive 7.3 magnitude earthquake was reported in eastern Indonesia. The quake struck around 100 km north of the town of Momir at a depth of 18.5 km in the Flores Sea. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center also issued a possible tsunami warning. Indonesia lifted a tsunami alert Tuesday following a magnitude 7.3 undersea earthquake that struck off Flores Island, triggering panic in a region prone to fatal quake by apparently causing no damage or casualties. Before we wrap up, once again the top news headlines. Men sought and injured by suspected NSCN-IM cadres in Kasar. Human Rights Convention and the Law in the Northeast wraps up. And sit-in state in Imphal to hear voice against faulty ILP. Thank you for watching Pony TV English News.